Supreme Court ruled in favor of Lakewood baker Jack Phillips, who declined to bake a cake for a gay couple back in 2012.
Now, the couple filed a complaint against Phillips with the state Civil Rights Division today. The nation's highest court scolded that panel for its outright hostility towards Phillips and his faith. The ruling overturned previous lower court decisions against Phillips.
But as reporter Andy Cohen tells us, this decision specifically focuses on the unconstitutional treatment of Phillips by the state of Colorado, not the question of whether businesses can refuse gay customers.
Absolutely right, Elizabeth. The court is basically saying that Jack Phillips couldn't get a fair hearing by the Colorado Civil Rights Commission, regardless of the merits of the original discrimination complaint. Vindication for the Colorado baker who said back in 2012 that it would violate his religious beliefs to bake a wedding cake for a gay couple. The U.S. Supreme Court today reversed lower court rulings against Masterpiece Bakery owner Jack Phillips.
This is a real victory for Jack, who has been fighting the courts now for several years and almost out of business. He took quite a hit when he had to give up making wedding cakes.
But this ruling isn't a license to discriminate. The majority opinion says so. Attorneys from both parties told reporters today that the reason Phillips won is because the Colorado Civil Rights Commission didn't give him a fair hearing.
This process was openly hostile to Jack because of his religious viewpoint, and that in and of itself was enough to render it unconstitutional under the Free Exercise Clause.
This decision is not going to be the concerns that the court had about the Colorado Civil Rights Commission and comments by some of its commissioners is very unlikely to be repeated in any other circumstance.
Still, it's disappointing to the gay couple that he turned away. David Mullins and Charlie Craig said they won't give up their fight.
We brought this case because no one should have to face the shame, embarrassment, and humiliation of being told, "We don't serve your kind here," that we faced, and we will continue fighting until no one does.
And Governor John Hickenlooper, who appoints our civil rights commissioners, acknowledged this rebuff by the high court. He said in a statement he was disappointed by the decision, but he takes seriously the court's admonition that the state must apply its laws in a way that is neutral toward religion. Rob?
Andy, thanks.